Hi, this is Alex. I'm in San Diego. I'm servicing this M3 customized, I think it's called a CS with this carbon fiber. As you can see on the body, the owner just purchased it. He called us because he saw our videos for servicing other luxury vehicles. So we're going to service this luxury vehicle because we are luxury vehicle odor removal specialists. And I believe somebody vaped marijuana in here. That's my call. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat this headliner, and you can see there's a stain right there on the headliner, which would be indicative of tar, some type of tar from smoke. There's no real reason for there to be a spot like that other than smoking. But anyway, we'll service the carpeting, the seats, these really cool bucket seats here, and the door panels, all the door rubber seals around the doors on both sides, including the unibody. And then we'll use our second step process to service the AC like we always do to make sure it smells fresh and clean. And that's really basically it. Just another luxury vehicle, another day here in North County, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.